science enthusiasts. Hello, welcome to our channel, Mini Explorers, where we bring you the most exciting and fun science experiments. Today, we're kicking off our channel with a bang as we dive into our first science experiment. So we've all heard about the classic volcano experiment, right? But what if we could take it to the next level? So let's start it. Do you think you can make a volcano erupt in your house? Let's find out. Materials list. For this experiment, you'll need just a few things, fun things. Vinegar, dish soap, and let's see what my colleague have it there. Baking soda. Wow. Oh, we are going to do some magic today. And yeah, I forgot here we have some fun stuff too. And yeah, he also have something to show. So let's do the magic. Now, add about 2 tablespoons of baking soda into the bottle. This is what will help us create the explosion. Now with my fun tool I am going to add a squirt of dish soap. This will make the eruption nice and foamy. I hope you are having fun. Wow, I am so excited for my volcano. Let's see how it turns out. Ready for fun, guys? Are you ready? Now we will pour our secret ingredient vinegar and say ETH reaction. Let's count down. 3, 2, 1. Wow, look at that volcano erupt. That was so much fun. Science is so cool, isn't it? Make sure to try this experiment at home and let me know. While we wait for the big boom, let's do a little volcano dance. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun science experiments. Shake it out like the lava's about to erupt. Keep experimenting and moving while we wait for science magic.